Just to get past, and we put all of our ingredients up over here. Okay, so we're gonna use low-fat cinnamon. This thing. Okay. Okay. A lot of that. Perfect. Then we gotta do. So, I don't know what this says. So, yeah. Let me open it. So, she's on the computer. And she's in her one. Okay. Now we're gonna do some pepper. How do I smush? Oh, now I get it. Okay.
Oh my god.
Oh, okay.
Take a video, okay?
No, I got it, Ash. So we're gonna add some pepper. Then we're gonna put some music. Some now. Okay. And then we're gonna mush it all together. Okay, now we're going to trick her. You will see in just 1 second. We are going over there right now. Now let's see it.
Ew.
Okay, now come on, let's go. Hey Emma. We made it.
It's really good.
Yeah. Do not stuff what's in it.
What is in it?
Nothing.
Pineapple.
It's pineapple juice. I know you love pineapple juice.
Maybe
Okay, you got your spoon. Okay. Now, drink it.
okay. Ew, what's in there?
Yeah.
Pepper, salt.
Shush.
What's in here?
Just stuff. We'll show you later.
What? Tell me what's in here. Okay, well that's for today. Peace out.